International tax law has been a focus of U.S. lawmakers for a while now. Remember, 2 years ago, Republican leaders in the House pushed to rewrite the code to prevent companies from shifting profits overseas. And today, two prominent Democratic senators proposed a new idea, one that they say will help American workers. Ylan Mui has details from Washington.
Democrats unveiled a new proposal today that would raise taxes on foreign profits to help unemployed workers here at home. The idea comes from two powerful senators, Ron Wyden, the top Democrat on the Finance Committee, and Chris Van Hollen, who sits on the Banking Committee. They argue that the current tax system actually encourages companies to build their factories overseas.
We want to take away incentives to move jobs overseas, make sure we incentivize employers here at home, and then incentivize them to hire Americans who want to work, but who are out of work.
To fix that, they call for closing those loopholes or creating a minimum tax on overseas earnings that would apply to every company. But not everyone believes there's a problem. Republicans overhauled the tax code last year in hopes of stopping companies from parking those profits overseas.
Combined with the reduction in the corporate tax rate and with the international provisions, my own view is that the incentives to invest in the United States have improved, certainly improved over the old tax code.
But the senator said making sure those companies pay their fair share could raise a lot of revenue, money that could go towards subsidizing jobs for America's long-term unemployed.
It's really an effort to get people back into the system, because these are individuals who, once you're out of work, it's harder and harder to get a job because employers look at your work history and it becomes a chronic problem that hurts the family and hurts the whole economy.
That prospect is generating interest from presidential candidates who are both embracing ambitious new policies and looking for ways to pay for them. Amy Klobuchar made tackling the international tax code part of her agenda for the first 100 days in office, and Joe Biden supported raising taxes on foreign earnings when he was vice president. So it's a good bet you'll hear a lot more about these issues on the campaign trail. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Ylan Mui in Washington.